Beautiful. Just relax the leg. Very good. You feel a nice stretch up towards me, okay? Let's go ahead, deep breath in. All the way out. Just let the body relax. Very good. Awesome.
Ooh-wee.
How'd that feel?
Good.
Awesome.
I did feel it all the way, well, to the middle.
To the middle. Great. Awesome.
Okay.
Some great release there. Awesome. So I'm just going to stretch this out really quick for you, okay? Come right into another adjustment here. Just relax the leg. Very good. Awesome. Let's come down. And just drop. Beautiful. Wow. So I'm gonna come down in here. And just let this drop. Beautiful. My goodness. How are you feeling?
I'm good.
Good.
It's been stuck for a long time. So I needed it.
Awesome. So yeah, you're really tight on that right side there. So I'm going to start right in this mid back here. Let's go ahead, nice deep breath in and let it all out. Very good. That was a big one. Let's go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out. Beautiful. Let's go ahead, deep breath in and let it all go. Very nice. Okay, deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Awesome.